Songs for Speech Therapy and ELD. Hi, welcome back to Songs for Speech Therapy and ELD. Today we're talking about words that change in weird ways when there's more than one of them. Usually when there's more than one of something, we add a s, like in pets, or a z, like in dogs, or is, like in wishes. But there's some words that don't fit that pattern, so let's sing a song to help us remember them. Come sing along. More than one foot is feet. More than one tooth is teeth. More than one goose is geese. More than one goose is geese. More than one man is men. More than one child is children. More than one person is people. More than one woman is women. More than one mouse is mice. More than one die is dice. More than one foot is feet. More than one tooth is teeth. More than one goose is geese. More than one goose is geese. More than one man is men. More than one child is children. More than one person is people. More than one woman is women. More than one mouse is mice. More than one die is dice. All right, it's time to review. More than one foot is feet. More than one tooth is teeth. More than one goose is geese. More than one man is men. More than one child is children. More than one person is people. More than one woman is women. More than one mouse is mice. More than one die is dice. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Hi, parents, SLPs, teachers, and other educators. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for supporting Songs for Speech.